Lesson 12. Learn English. Sentences. 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 I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. Don't fight with me. Don't fight with me. Don't fight with me. Love me. Love me. Love me. Sentences. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am sleepy. Don't fight with me. Love me. I want to buy clothes. I want to buy clothes. I want to buy clothes. I want new shoes. I want new shoes. I want new shoes. I want to eat sweet. I want to eat sweet. I want to eat sweet. I have headache. I have headache. I have headache. I have back pain. I have back pain. I have back pain. I want to buy clothes. I want new shoes. I want to eat sweet. I have headache. I have back pain. I have gone mad. I have gone mad. I have gone mad. I will straighten you out. I will straighten you out. I will straighten you out. I get scared at night. I get scared at night. I get scared at night. I sing. I sing. I sing. I like you. I like you. I like you. I have gone mad. I will straighten you out. I get scared at night. I sing. I like you. Sentences. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am sleepy. Don't fight with me. Love me. I want to buy clothes. I want new shoes. I want to eat sweet. I have headache. I have back pain. I have gone mad. I will straighten you out. I get scared at night. I sing. I like you.